Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to make your honey pot sweet, interesting, entertaining, clean, fresh as a woman, all right? Because without this trick and tips, your honey pot can never be sweet nor entertaining. But to keep your relationship, to keep your home, in order to do all these things, your honey pot needs to be sweet and interesting. That is it. And without being wet, juicy, and sliming, your honey pot can never be sweet. So I am here in this video to show you the tips and tricks on how you can, bring one thing, two things, three things together to make you stay sweet, juicy, wet, fresh. If this sounds as what you are interested in, definitely keep on watching. Watch from start to finish. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more of these tips. Remember to share this video, all right? And also give it a thumbs up for YouTube to recommend my video to other people. Before we start this video, guys, I want to show you some of our products, all right, for men and women. Product to tasanson, effective products that will make your life better, make your marriage work, make your relationship better, make you have confidence in yourself as a man or as a woman, all right? Any which one, we are here for you. We are here to solve problem, all right? So the first product I'm going to be showing you is this PP enhancement, all right? PP enhancement, okay? If you have ammo, if you know what's at the talk, all right? This is your PP enhancement powder, which will be mixed with milk, all right? That is how to use it. This is very, very effective. I mean, don't let me talk too much. It is very, very effective, and it will make your PP stay effective, active, and working mightily well. Okay, so yeah, this is one of our products, your PP enhancement products. This is our Coochie Pleasure Secrets. Who know this can never know anything. This is one of our sweetener products, which is very, very good. It is organic, it is safe to use, very effective, and trust me, you're gonna thank me later after using this. This is Coochie Pleasure Secrets. As the name implies, imagine the work of this thing. Akere Koro. And this is our libido booster tea, all right? This is for women, okay? This is for women who sabi. If you sabi, you're supposed to alert the number you are seeing on the screen to get our product, all right? For sweet now, for libido booster, see, we got your back, all right? Our products are very, very effective, safe to use, and they are affordable, all right? We ship nationwide, anywhere in the world. We ship to you, most especially for our clients in the United States. You can contact the number on the screen for order in the United States, all right? I have a representative in the United States. And if you want to be one of our wholesalers, you can holler me. You can start business with shikini money and start making money, okay? This is also another product of ours. This is a sweetener product. It is called Viola Obsession. Guys, you dey hear am? Viola Obsession. Hey guys, hey, this product is very, very effective. If you want this in the United States, contact the number you are seeing on the screen. One of our representatives is in the United States, so you've got no problem. You can alert the number and place your order or make your inquiry. That's fine. Okay. So this one too is called Royal Powder. It is one of our sweetener powder, which is very, very effective. It is safe to use. I don't want to talk so much, guys, except you use these things. When you use it, you will know what sweetness is in marriage. Okay, if you have akagon husband, say your husband na akagon, everything where your husband they get in, they carry him go out, go give side chick. Try our product once, and that once will actually convince you. Nobody will tell you before you buy another one, okay? So, and for people who are battling with high blood sugar, see, this is the solution, permanent solution to your problem. Okay, permanent solution to your problem. This is our high blood sugar pack, which is very, very effective. It will not only lower your sugar level, it will also solve your problem permanently, all right, if you use it as prescribed. All right, so these are some of our products. I just feel like sharing our products with you in this video before we go into the juicy part of this video. So in today's video, like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you some few things you can mix together for you to stay sweet, slimy, and juicy. All right, so if you have a husband that is always going out chasing side chick around, it is probably you are not doing what you're supposed to do. It is probably you are not taking good care of yourself. But today, me, Olajumoke, I'm here to give you a good news, a good secret, tips and tricks you can use to get your husband back, to hold him tight, for him to stay with you and not let you go. He will fall in love with you multiple times. All right, so without further say or do, let's just get right into the video. The first ingredient I will use in this video is clove leaf, blended clove leaf, then Maltina. You can lay your hands on canned Maltina or bottled Maltina. All right, anyone you can lay your hands on in Nigeria or overseas. I know Maltina is all over. Okay, and also the third ingredient I will be using is milk. Okay, you can use a full cream milk of any type, Peak Milk, 3 Crown, Hollandia, anyone at all. Okay, then you mix this mixture together. Okay, so you have to take this 2 hours before the do. Okay, so if you are trying to boost your libido level, try as much as to take this mixture 3 times a week. Okay, so guys, I hope this video is quite interesting. I hope you love watching this video. If this video is interesting, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. So we have a lot of sweetener, products, enhancement products, body enhancement, and all of that buhaha. All right, to make inquiry, send a WhatsApp message to the number you are seeing on the screen if you're in Nigeria, and also if you are in the United States. And if you want to be part of our wholesalers anywhere in the world, you want to invest something in helping people. All right, so this work is all about helping people because we're solving problems. All right, so you can join our wholesale group with shikini money. You get our product, sell it, buy another one, and yeah, you are making your cool cash. All right, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.